welcome back. James Hood from James Hood Guitar here. Just working on a 44 D28, and this ivory here has been taken down so low that it's not going to be tall enough to support the string height where it needs to be, and nor have the proper break angle. But I was fortunate enough to be able to get my little micro chisel in underneath it here, under the edge, right here, carefully, that is, and pry this thing up. So I'm still going. I'm really happy about this because it's a risky move. It really is. But I saw some daylight, and I thought I'd just give it a shot. Usually you'd have to route these suckers out, and this just saved me a little bit of time here. Here's a look at the guitar here. See if I can get some better lighting. Here, let's pull this out of here. Real careful, like. Move my guard. Get a top view here. Real nice. Here, let's prop this up. See how's my lighting here. Is that working? I don't know. My lighting might be kind of funny. But yeah, here's a look at the fretboard. It's nice. Gonna be changing out these tuners too, because I'm missing something there. That peg head's a little too shiny. Like, I'm thinking it might have been refinished at one point. Nice little dart back here. It's a little bit softer than some of them that I've seen. Definitely gonna keep those tuners. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, so anyway, I'm excited to be working on this one. I'm going to be doing a neck reset on this one, and I'll be keeping you posted. Now, I know I said I'd keep you posted on some of the other stuff, and I just get so busy in this shop with neck resets and fret dressing and refins and just all kinds of stuff that it's just crazy. So I've actually got some guys here helping me now, and we're able to get more volume out. So just stay tuned. More to come. JamesHoodGuitar.com.